Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I have this amazing face toner for people who have oily skin, and guess what? You just need green tea for this. So green tea is really good for your skin. You should definitely drink green tea at least twice a day. It will really cleanse your system, detox, and your skin will also become really nice. It's good for your health. They have lot of benefits. So green tea toner is really good for your skin. I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's start now. So we'll need some warm water and one green tea bag. So I'm just going to dip it in this and we'll wait for about 1 minute. Now to this we'll add some rose water, about 5-6 drops. Now just remove the green tea bag. So now all you gotta do is take a cotton pad, dip into this and apply it on your face. I'm just gonna apply it. So this is really good for people who have oily skin. It will remove all the oiliness and the dirt from your skin, and it will tone your face really well. So guys, do this once you've washed your face, and just apply this face toner. Then you apply a nice moisturizer, which is good for your skin, maybe a gel base or a moisturizer, because you have oily skin. So that's it guys. I hope this video has been useful. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.